Okay, so today we're starting on this flooring project. There's a lot of little things that are involved. The edging has all got to come off. And this here is all real cheap stuff. It's cardboard. Let's see here if you can see it. It's okay, very cheap wood. It's got a contact paper around it. We're going to put some quarter round in there. But then we've got to rip this all up. And the thing about these trailers is they put all the flooring down first, and then they mount the cabinets and everything else. So we're going to be pulling up the toilet. I've got a new wax ring for that, and we'll be setting the toilet back on the new flooring. But I've got to go around to all these carpet edges and lift them all up. You can see they've got these little staples that come in here. And so I'll need to cut all this and caulk all this. I'm still on the fence about how I'm going to deal with no man's land right here. I may just take the cabinet up and then set it back up on the new flooring, but we'll see how that goes. So anyway, this is a few day project. We're just going to mosey along on her and get her done. So just a little floor update. Here's what we're going to put in. We're going to be putting these in, and I've already decided, they lock. I've already decided we're going to go this way with them instead of this way. A few things. I've got to get up underneath this carpet, and in this fifth wheel, they have stapled this like a monkey on crack cocaine. There are staples all through here, and you can't pull them all because you'll be ripping up the carpet. So what you got to do is you've got to get yourself a very sharp chisel, go underneath it, and then using your hammer, cut those staples, and then come behind. And that's what I've had to do right here. Come behind here, and you've got little pieces of staple that got to be pulled out. Another thing is you got to be real careful. You see this right here? Look at that bunch of wires. That all feeds this. And when I put my quarter round on here, I've got to be careful I don't put a brad into all those. So yeah. So we're moving along. I just got a lot of staples. I got this edge right here. I've got that edge right here, down below here. This prep's going to take a bit. Alrighty, so we got all this done and got all these staples out of here. That was quite the chore. But yeah, they don't. That's outside there. We'll see if we can get some caulk or something in there. Their specifications here have a lot to be desired, but yeah, we got all these staples out of here, and it doesn't look too difficult to lift up this cabinet. I'm just going to have to shut off the water because that's going to bother me sitting in there. So. All right, well, there we go. We got this pulled up. I'm actually kind of surprised. I thought there'd be a bunch of water damage in here. Little bit maybe in here. That might just be some discoloration. But you see here, this is swelled. See how this is all falling apart? Because there was definitely water in here. And I'm still thinking this is cardboard. But they're both kind of like that. But we'll fix that up and get this going. Boy, there was a bunch of staples. This looks like it was wet at some time because there's rust on a lot of these where the old staples were. So we'll start the flooring tomorrow.